Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Uh,
sir. Please go ahead, sir.
yeah,
Go
yeah,
ahead, go ahead.
yeah. And while I'm demoing certain things here as part of this training, please feel free to interrupt me, stop me anywhere. Like in PMA programs, we normally ask audience to hold on to their questions and then put it on chat box. But here, I think because we are doing hands-on in parallel, please feel free to stop me or interrupt me, ask questions. If I am going too fast, also you can ask me to reduce my pace. Okay. So if you are already on this screen, like I have logged in here, you will see typically this banner here, which reads, "What will you design today?" So there are some suggestions which you see at the bottom. So there are certain designs. Some of them it says your design, because I've been using Canva for over a year now. I have of course created some designs mostly for PMA programs, and some of the designs for my own professional purpose. So and I also keep playing with lots of things. So you see some of my designs also, but you should normally be able to see this, what will you design today. And there you see the options like presentation, social media, videos, graphics and prints, some marketing related media, office, and then there are some more options also. Okay, like you can create your infographics, you can do photo collage, you can do desktop wallpaper, graph, and so. All right. Um, today, we are going to restrict this discussion only to create flyers. And I'm sure once you know at least one of the things that you can get out of this Canva. Canva is basically a free web-based tool. You just log on and everything is there on the cloud. It doesn't occupy any space on your computer. If you are using your laptop, it doesn't occupy any space there. Everything is stored in cloud, and so far I have not hit the limit. I don't know, frankly speaking, what is the limit to what extent you can save your data there. Uh, but there are plenty of things that you can do, and there are some wonderful professional designs that you can create out of Canva. Okay. Then once you go here, if you look at on the left palette here, you see all your designs. Like I said, I have been using Canva, and if I click on that, it will show me all my designs here, which I have created in past, and you can see a number of flyers and small little media that I have created. Then the third option is shared with you. So this is another beautiful option. For example, if I and Dr. Bakshi, we want to work together. Half of the design is done by me, and I want to transfer it to him. I just have to share it with him. There is a share option. Once you are on that design, I will show it that also to you. And vice versa. Once he is done with his part and he wants me to review, we can share. So basically, there are two Canva accounts that can be shared with each other. So people can work in a collaborative fashion also. And then there are other options like all your folders and trash and all of that. We'll not deliberate on that at this point of time. Let's look at once you are here at, let's say, at your home page. There is a bar here. It is called search bar, just like we search in Google. And when you put your cursor there, it gives you some of my recent searches. For example, I searched for marketing flyer, marketing elegant, and you can type in anything. uh, but here what you can do is, since we are going to limit our discussion to flyer, you can just type in flyer. I'll give you a few seconds so you can work with me together. And when you say flyer, it will suggest you these options. Flyer, which is in light font, it is written, it says 210 by 297 mm, which is basically A4 size flyer. Some people also prefer to use flyer in landscape mode. So it is the same size, but it is in landscape style. Then there are other flyers like game flyers, Christmas flyers, photography flyer, and so on and so forth. What we'll do is, we'll just simply say flyer, okay? And once I click on flyer, It will take a while and show me few designs here. All right, and I think same thing should happen on your computers also. It's not necessary that you will have
Yes.
the same designs which you are seeing on my screen. It is not necessary that you will see the same design there, because the
Yeah.
social media,
Wow.
yeah, and the social media, and there are a lot of technicality behind that works behind this website. It also keeps on storing your preferences, so your preferences could be different, your searches could be different, like they capture the data using the cookies. So you might see some different designs here. Now all these designs, you see there is a small a trophy kind of symbol here, and when you hover your cursor there, it will show you pro. That means it's a professional or paid design. You can take an idea from here, but if you are not a paid member of Canva, then it will not allow you to download here. Okay, so there is always an option. If you go on the left palette here, you will see an option free.
Sorry to interrupt you, Viman sir.
Yeah.
I can't see that what you have said right now.
Maybe if you scroll down in some of your designs, you may have some pro or paid written there.
Okay.
There are number of designs. For example, this one is a free design. You see, I am on this
Hmm.
Christmas market thumbnail, and there I can see it's a free design. Whereas if I go to
Okay.
one level up and look at this World Tourism Day design, it is a pro design, so it's a professional or a paid version. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. I am getting.
And let's assume that we don't want to pay anything to Canva at this point of time, because we are not really into, our original business is not designing. We are not in that field. We just want it for our purpose, let's say to create a flyer for PMA program or for our professional advertisement. We resort to free version. So you go on left side, and under price tab, you just click on free. Then I don't know why it is running slow today. Generally it comes very fast. So here are all free designs. You see, the designs have changed. Some of the designs which were professionals are not visible anymore here. So it's basically a filtration that I have done on this tab. Got it? Yes, no?
Yes. Yes. Getting, sir.
All right. So on
So
these,
many designs.
yeah. So on left side, when I clicked on free or filtered all the designs which are free, you can also have an option of filtering other aspects also. So here is let me just turn off my video, because probably that is stealing my bandwidth. Just give me a minute. All right. So on theme, you can have photo, illustration, ad, events, marketing, sale, and you can have more options also. There is a plus sign with a text which reads view more. So you can also filter based on these. We are not going to do any filtering at this point of time. I'm just showing you the options. Okay. Then you have filtration based on the style. It is based on modern, photo, illustration, simple. Some people like very minimal components on their flyer. They don't want to make it very jazzy, not too many decorative stuff, so they can go for minimalist option. There are certain border options. So there is a flyer which actually is very heavy on border, so it's a border which is a kind of so stiller. So that is also possible, and again there also you have range of options. Okay. We are not touching any of these options at this point of time. We are interested in a free design right now, so we have filtered only based on the free. Okay. Now there are two ways to create flyers. One, the very first is always create a blank flyer. That means it's like your blank A4 size page, and you start scribbling or putting your sketch on that. That is one of the options, and the other option is to pick any of these ready-made templates. Okay. Now, let me say for our PMA purpose, I would like to go for, let's say, this yellow one here. Are you, no, that's a paid one. I don't know why it is still showing paid one. We have already filtered it on free, but I don't know why it is showing on the paid one. Let me find another free one. The reason I am finding for the free flyer design here or template here is because we should be able to download at the end of the day. Let me scroll down, and you can also do the same things. For example, I pick up this. You see this COVID-19 vaccination on my screen?
Yes.
All right. Good afternoon and good morning to everybody who has joined a little bit later after I started. Okay, so once I select that, what did you notice that it has opened up a new tab here? Yeah, so I was here from where I picked up this. Okay, but the moment I clicked on that, it opened up a new tab on my Google Chrome. Okay, you see the same thing happening
Yes,
on
sir.
your computers, those who are working with me?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, yes.
All right,
Same
great.
thing happened.
Yeah. Now
Yes, sir.
you might find, oh, this is a very small size. You know, view size is very small. So there is at the bottom you can see 33% on my screen. Maybe it is there the same percent. You can increase the size. So if I want to just edit this COVID-19 section here, the text part, okay. Let me say this is we will just change a few things here. Instead of COVID-19, I will say blood donation. Let's assume that PMA is doing a blood donation drive. Okay, so I put it there. I type in. So COVID-19, I have replaced it with blood donation drive. And you can see because it's a COVID-19 की comparison में blood donation drive text string is little large, so it is spilling over the original text box. So I can reduce the size, just like you do it in Word or Excel or PowerPoint.
Resizing it,
Yeah, it's basically resizing it. Another beautiful thing is I can just simply do this. If I just go on one of the corners of this box, you see the highlight right on my screen, that cyan blue color highlight. I can
Yes, yes.
yeah, I can just put my cursor on one of the corners and I can simply reduce it like this. See, the size is reducing. Now I think that on my flyer this size is okay at this point of time. Okay, I can come back and change again also, but the background, the white background is quite big. Then what I can do is I can reduce that size also. I can do it like this also. I can pick one of the corners or one of the sides or edges and reduce and basically reshape the object, which was it's basically a white rectangle, nothing but white rectangle. And then I can do like this, and then I will again reduce this reduce the view size and see how it looks on my flyer. Okay,
So
now,
will it be possible to center it, the entire box with the text?
oh yes, you can just do like this. Okay, select, sorry, you have to see one thing here. You have to do is you have to select those two objects.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
uh,
Drag, okay.
yeah, and then drag it, and there you see this plus sign here, plus with arrow signs, and you can move it anywhere.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so I did this. Now I need to move this box also because everything should look centered. You can do like this. Okay, now one of the things that you benefit from this ready-made templates is usually they are professionally designed. And what I mean by professionally designed is the color combination that you see on this screen or on this particular template is very, very professional. The contrasts are exactly what you need. It's eye soothing.
Yeah.
They are working on on the right contrasts. You cannot have, let's say, a pink color here or a purple color here, right? That will make the whole flyer look very, very shabby. So this is something that you get out of professional templates or free templates that we have chosen.
But even then, will we be able to change the, let's say, the blood donation drive, the background box color is in white.
Yeah,
Can we,
you tell me which color do you want, sir?
let's put it to green.
Okay, so I just picked up, I just selected that, and you go here. when I
Okay,
say
okay.
color.
Color
Okay.
palette is there.
Now
Okay.
this gives me color template. There are some standard color templates, but what if you do not like any of these? Okay, you don't like any
Yeah.
of these. Then there is a plus sign here on top.
Mm-hmm.
You click on that and then you get a complete range to select.
Okay.
Okay, for example, I make this color.
Mhm.
You see,
Okay.
it changes automatically and instantly.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll stick with your color right now. Okay, let's not change anything.
Mhm.
Whether you like it or somebody likes it or not, we'll just keep it for the time being. Now,
Ah,
similarly, you can say, okay, it's a Pune Management Association program, so we want to change these also. So I am changing these now.
so even for the text also we can change the color of the palette.
Yeah, yeah, of course, of course. Everything
Okay.
is generally
Mm.
you are able to change. Okay. Now here also you can see that it is spilling over, so I am just doing this, resizing it. Okay, and I think, okay, Pune Management Association, because it's that needs to be highlighted, so I will make it slightly bigger than the font size of blood donation drive, and I want everything on top. Okay, so what I'll do is the text which came with the template, I'm moving it temporarily. I'll move these. I'll do this. Now these are the things that we keep on doing on PowerPoint presentation, so I'm not
Yeah,
going to
exactly.
spend too
Yeah,
much
yeah.
time here. Now text color. Okay, let me change the text color. You go to here, text color,
Yeah, yeah.
and do the same thing. Let me change it to yellow.
And
Okay,
similarly the font also.
and you can change the font also. And
Mm.
here, once I click here, here you get the font selection, and Canva has completely a different kind of library, which generally we do not see with our Microsoft Office applications.
Mm.
So here I go down, 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 and one of my favorite font is Amarnath. So let me see if it is available. No, it's not. Somehow, probably they have discontinued with that font. But here also, when you let me go back one step. So once you click here on the font and you get the library on this palette here, you see these signs here, this little yellow design, trophy like,
Mhm.
or I don't know what crown. Sorry,
Crown, yeah.
yeah, this crown means it is paid font. You can't use that if you are not using the paid account.
Mhm.
Rest, wherever you don't see those crowns, you can choose. For example, if I choose Inter, it will change the font here. See, it has changed.
Mm.
If I
Yeah,
keep
yeah.
it on horizon, it will change again.
Mm.
Okay, so,
Yeah, yeah. You know why you didn't get Amarnath?
huh? No, why not?
Amarnath, because it's winter, it's closed now.
That was expected from you. But I'll still find in this winter also. I'll find Amarnath. I promise you before we end the session
Okay.
today.
Sir, if you search Amarnath, then I am able to find it out. So if you can search, write the name, you will get it
Yeah,
in the search
yeah.
option.
I was trying to do the same thing. I don't know why didn't I get it? Yes, it is there.
Okay, okay.
It's a very nice font. Personally, I really like it. Okay, so I have put these here. Now,
Mhm.
let me say I will push this a little bit here on this side. I'll reduce the size of this because I need to put a logo here. Okay.
Mhm.
Now I have got PMA logo somewhere stored in my laptop. Okay. So let me show you. Are you able to see my
Screen, yeah, yeah.
Canva resources?
Yes.
Mhm.
Yes.
Yeah. So I have collected few images here just for our practice purpose, and here is a PMA logo. Okay, it's a PNG portable network graphic. So what I will do is I'll simply drag this PMA logo, bring it to my Chrome, and then go to this and just drop it anywhere. The moment you drop it anywhere, it will save here. You see here, and
Mhm.
you see that that this bowl is filling up. It is still uploading,
Yes.
and now once it is done, you can simply click on this PMA logo here, and once you do that, you will notice that logo has been brought to your
Okay.
template, and then you can resize that also. Okay, so I am doing this. So I have got now PMA logo here. I have got Pune Management Association text, the background and everything. But somehow, this circle or this design, I don't like the color. I want to convert it to different color. I can change the color of that. I will make it green. I can make it red. This is how you can do it. So entire design is, entire shape design has been changed. Color change has taken place. Now here also, now this is about vaccination, but our flyer is about donation drive, blood donation drive. I don't like this. Okay, I don't think this is an image which I need here. So again, in my folder here, I have collected one image which is similar to blood donation. It represents blood donation. So what I will do is, I will drag that also and bring it to my Canva, and it will upload again. So it is uploading right now, taking some time. Okay, now if I just click here, now this is something that you need to really notice very carefully. If you just click here, just like that PMA logo, it will come somewhere here in center, but I don't want that. I want it to be exactly replaced on this image in place of this vaccination, that needle and that vaccine bottle that you are seeing with the syringe. I want to be replaced there. So what I will do is, no, this is not something I need, so I will delete it. So just right click here and delete it, and I will go to this image again here, but I will not just simply click it. I will drag it like this. You see the change?
So by default, it has taken a circular shape, although in the
Exactly the
logo
point.
it was
Exactly the point. So by default it has taken a circular shape, and now I think this heart is somewhat hidden, because in original image, if you look at it here, it's a full design. So what I can do is, I can double click here,
resize.
and no, I can just move it here like this. Okay, and I move it like this. So a little bit of more heart shape has come into the design. Or if I want a complete heart, I can do it like this. Okay, so this is how you can play with the image. Now I think that, the background, the size of this circle in which I have embedded the image is too big compared to the flyer. I can reduce their size. Okay, and then I can put it somewhere like this. You can do all of this.
So now that both the heart and the glass jar from where it is being pumped in, both are not into the circle. How do you adjust that? So
Yeah,
can the logo be adjusted?
Yeah, so there is it's a good question. There is a limitation. Only certain part will come here. There is a workaround. What you need to do is, the original image from where you have dragged and dropped onto Canva, there you actually have to resize it first, and then bring it to the Canva and then put it here, so that your entire image can come here.
Otherwise, that figure of 8 that you see, the red figure of 8 in which it is getting embedded, can that be resized?
Yes, this can also be resized. So the moment you click here, you will get these
Yeah,
corners and edges.
yeah.
You
Okay,
can
okay.
do this.
Yeah, okay.
You can move it. You can move to a
Yeah.
different location. All of that you can do.
Mhm.
All right. Okay. Any other questions so far?
No questions.
No questions. Okay. Just give me a second. We have gone through the changes in font, size, color, and everything. Now here on left side, on my, see, these are all my uploads. Just now, we uploaded 2 fresh images, like we uploaded PMA logo and this blood donation symbol. Okay. Now you see there are lots of uploads that I have done. Okay. For example, if I put my own photograph, let's say if I am going to speak on this particular program and I am a speaker, I am just putting my photo here. Okay, and I will place it somewhere in the corner, something like this. Okay, the beauty of this is, now I want to see, this is now changing the let me just delete this step 4 here. so that it doesn't disturb us. And step 3, temporarily I'm moving it somewhere. Okay, so you can clearly have a view of my image here, my photograph. uh, uh, Here on this yellow I have put up this image, which is somewhat not really going well with the contrast.
Yeah.
And but I want to maintain the contrast, and let's say this white color text under step 2 or step 1 or step 3 also, I think this color also need to change. So what I can do is I will
Blue.
just highlight that text, select it, and I will go to color palette again. Now here you see there are 3 images which are listed, the PMA logo, and it detects which all colors it has. Okay, so if I pick this color from my image, it will change the color of the text to that color. See, it has changed from white to gray. Now you may not like it because it does not go well with the background color. But the good part is, which I just tried to demo, and let me show it to you one more time, that once you go to the color palette of the selected text or an object, it gives you an option to choose the color from already embedded images. Okay, this was not available when we started with the ready-made design, because it did not have any image, it did not have logo, it did not have this blood donation symbol and my image, my photograph. But now it has picked up. That's a beautiful thing. That's one of the
Great.
greatest advantage that I see with this. Now somebody would say, oh, I want to change the color of this entire background. How do I do that? For example, I select this. Okay, so the easiest option is to, just like we change the colors of other things, you can change the colors here. Okay, but if you don't like the background itself and you want some certain image, then there is an option. Now you go on the extreme right left and see the option of background, and once I click on background, it presents me again range of options to put my background here. Okay, these are all backgrounds that you can put. Again, there also you will find some of them are free, some of them will be with those crown sign, which are paid ones. Let us say, let me choose one elegant looking, let me just notepad look I will put here. So nothing has changed here, only the background has changed, rest of the things remain as it is. You get that? Let me change one more time the background with another background. Let me choose this color here, and it has changed. You see how elegant background designs are. You can also have your own background designs also. So if you have found, if you don't like any of these which are here, you can bring in one more background which should be of A4 size and drag and drop here. Everything that you drag and drop here will get stored in the upload section. Okay, now in upload section I have other images. For example, I want,
Excuse me, sir. How that menu bar has come vertical? Because how this vertical menu bar from
so-
where background we are selected.
okay, you go here on your template and click anywhere. Okay, I
Okay.
clicked here, so it shows the entire frame.
Okay.
And then you see the small square with the same color, and you once you click there, it will bring the color option here.
No, leftmost, sir. Sir, leftmost.
The toolbar sort of in the black,
So here it
Yeah,
is.
right.
So that is always available to you. It never goes away. Background you will always have.
Oh, okay. I need to check.
Okay. If it is
Right.
not there, in some cases I can understand where you are coming from. You go to the bottom, and if you see more option here with 3 dots, click there and you will find background somewhere here.
Okay.
Okay, but here, because I have been using backgrounds quite often, it is stored, it is memorized basically. Okay, so this is how you can change the background, and like I said, you can also change your background using your own design.
Vimal, one more thing.
Yes, please.
The photo that you have embedded of yours,
Uh-huh.
I wanted to enlarge that photo, put in the body of that document. On that, I want to put the text.
Enlarge you can do like this, like you
Yes.
do with any other objects. So this
Right.
is how
And all those texts, step 1, step 2, step 3,
Uh-huh.
I want to impose on this photo.
you can do that. You can do that.
Okay.
Like for example, let me bring this here. Okay.
Okay.
Here, of course, there is a problem of color contrast, but let me
That
choose.
one has to select, correct.
So I'll choose yellow, for example, just to give
Mm-hmm.
a nice look here. Yeah. So that is how you can do it.
Mm. Yeah, yeah.
So this is about the background.
So all these things are static. Can these any objects that you are embedding in this
Yeah,
document
yeah,
become dynamic also?
I'll come to that. So let
Okay.
me I'll delete this text which I have put on my photograph.
Mm.
I will delete this step 3 also, and just for the reference point I will keep step 1 here. But I don't like this text. How do I register for this? Okay, I want to give a different presentation. So you go on the leftmost menu again, and then there is an option called text.
Yeah.
Okay. So all these options will come up. So there are 3 major options which you can use. If I want to just add a heading, I can just choose this. If I want to add subheading or a little bit of a body text, I can do any of these 3. But I want to actually explore what all options are there. For example, this cool, smooth and tasty. Okay, once I click on that, it will come up on the template. You see that has come up here. Okay. uh, then I will just move it in the area where we all can actually view it better. Okay, you see that this text has come up with its own text, font, and also there is
Yeah.
one additional, at the bottom you see Angelo Brewing.
Mm.
Those two things. Now, if you don't want this Angelo Brewing, you can only simply do is you can just go and ungroup it,
Okay.
and then what you don't need you can remove it. So for the time being I am removing it. Okay, and I want to work only on this. Here also I can again change the font. Although it has come from a standard template, I will just change it to some other font. So it has changed. So that is how you can embed a different style. Let me go and do one more styling job. So I'll delete this one more time, and I'll go to text again. Let me you choose now, which anything which is free here. For example, this huge cell is okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, certificate of completion.
Okay.
Can we use that?
Yeah, everything that you need can be done. Certificate of completion.
There are no beer mugs.
Okay. Now I really like the way it is laid out. For example, the certificate of completion. This is how it should be presented. But I only need to change the color. Then I just go and change the color. I make it little light, let's say white, and certificate. That text I want to just leave it like that. So that's how you can do it.
Sir, can we add different background to this particular text?
Not to the text. Background is for the entire flyer. But if you want to add a background, for example, you want to add an element. So you need to go to element. We'll start with a very simple element called square. Okay.
Mhm.
Now here you have to be careful that you choose the right element, something which has got the background. So it is. This is what I have brought in here. Okay, you see that the square has come up. Again, I will make it convert that square into a rectangle, and I will change the color. I want to add a line here somewhere. Certificate of completion. I want to add, highlight that or underline it. So I can put a line here. So I choose any of the line, whichever you like, and then you can move here. So this is another element that you have added to your design. Okay. I want a heart shape somewhere. You can put heart shape. There are lots of shapes also available. So that also you can do.
Sir, these lines can be used to strike off also.
Yeah, of course. It's entirely up to you. Wherever you put it. If you put it like this, it will strike off, right? That's what you
Yeah.
wanted to know, right?
Right.
Just
Thank
a
you.
movement, like everything that we do in PowerPoint generally with text and objects, you can do everything here. Sometimes I want to highlight certain things, in a slightly different way. So let me go to element again. And under lines and shapes, I'll go and say see all. Let me just temporarily remove this line, okay, just to show you. I will also remove this red box, and I will put this design here, okay, and quickly change the color so you can see it very clearly, making it red. And you see this design particularly has three colors. You see these three options here. So it actually contains three different shades. So I have changed one to red, I'm changing another to orange, and the third one to green, okay. And then I can put it as a border to this certificate of completion, something like this.
Is it a frame or frame is different?
It's a frame. You can again resize it.
Hmm.
Now few things that I want to show you, we'll try to cover in completely a blank flyer, okay. So I will go to my original home page here, and you see an option of create a blank flyer, okay. So blank flyer is like your blank A4 size page. Now here I can put something from my uploads if I want, okay.
These images are already available on our hard disk of the computer.
Yeah,
Isn't
you have
it?
to upload it. You may have a collection of images. For example, for this training purpose, I have created this folder. PMA
Oh.
logo is there, Laghu Udyog Bharati, which is our partner organization, it is there. I have brought in one image. For example, let me bring in this image here. So this is how you create a library of your own uploads.
Okay.
Okay. I don't know why it is not uploading. I think my computer has gone little slow. Okay, now it is uploading.
Yes.
Okay, once that image is uploaded, you just simply click on that, bring it here. So we are now working on a blank template, but I came to this blank template only to show you that what more can you add into your design. Okay, so this is something that I have done. Now here I want to add a background also. Okay, so let us quickly go to the background here again, and I will put this as a background. You see my image is still there on the top, the background has gone in the background, but the part where there was nothing, it has occupied the space. If I move this image here, you will see how the background is pasted, you see.
Yeah,
Okay, now for the time being I am removing the background. Okay, now you go to more options here. At the bottom you will see more written and with three dots on top. Okay, and here somewhere you should see style. On my case, because I have been using this style option quite frequently, it is showing up here. Okay, but wait a second, this style I think I should be showing you on the design that we were already working on. Okay, so I have come back to this blood donation drive flyer again, and I'm clicking on style here. Now you see there are range of options here. There are different color shades here. So I can change the design in one stroke just by clicking on any of the style. Sau sir, you tell me which one should I select?
Brick.
Brick.
Brick color.
This one here,
No. Second one.
Cardo.
Yes. Yeah. Cardo.
Okay. See the magic happening on your flyer.
But it gave a different color.
Yeah. So it has imported everything related to that Cardo style
Oh,
and
okay.
brought it here. Okay, but you think, oh, this is horrible. I don't like
Yeah.
it. Then select
yeah.
another one. Go to this
Okay.
Gagelin, for example.
Okay.
See how it is changing. See,
Hmm.
you don't have to do too many things. It has
Yeah,
changed
yeah.
color, it
Okay.
has changed fonts. Okay, you think, oh, I was only interested in colors. Why the hell it changed my colors? Okay, so let me just do undo. I just press Ctrl Z here. So you go to colors only then. Here on top you see color, and here
Yeah.
you can change the colors only. See, your fonts are retained, your placement is retained, nothing has changed. It's just the colors which have changed, including the color of this frame. Did you notice that? Not just the colors of these boxes here, but also the frame. If I change it one more time, you will notice it even better.
It is matching with the theme automatically.
Exactly the point. Now here you think, okay, जब मैंने choose किया था, I thought fonts were very good, but now I need to change fonts, and I want to change, fonts in a thematic way. So I go to this caveat as an option, okay, and see how it is changing. See, where did we start and where have we come to? It's beautiful option, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, now let us focus to go back to that blank template again. In more, you can add. So again, when you go to more and you see this Pixabay, pixels, embeds, emojis, QR code. Now I want to add QR code because today's world, people see everything on mobile and people scan very quickly the QR code. So I want to add a QR code. So I'll just click on QR code. Now every QR code requires an URL. Okay, so I'm just writing here www.punemanagement.org. Okay, that's my URL, and I say generate code. It will generate code and it will put it here. Your QR is ready.
Oh wow, excellent.
And you can just simply size it, place it differently. कहीं पे भी डालना है, you can just put it. So
Magic.
yeah. So that
Sir,
is,
can you please repeat it once again?
Yeah, I was about to ask for repeat.
who was that?
Me, Nikunj, and somebody else has asked for repeating.
No, I need to.
Swapna.
Swapna ji, I need coffee for that. Anything if you want me to.
Yeah, sure, sir. Anytime, sir, anytime.
And then to at Pune Management Association office today evening.
Okay.
Yeah. Sure, sir. It's 6 p.m. Yeah, I will be there.
Okay. So let me just show it to you again. So when you click on this more, it will give you an option, and you will see this QR code option here. You see my mouse hovering.
Yeah.
Click on that, and then you just need to provide a URL here on this box. Now let me just create another QR code. Let me put my website name here, www.thebusinesswise.com, and I say generate code. See, it has created another code, and obviously it's a different QR code, and you can
But
research it and whatever you want to do. Yeah,
But necessarily it needs the URL.
of course, QR code always is linked to the URL. You can also have another QR code. Sometimes people use QR code for descriptive and image content also, but in that case you have to import that QR code as an image, just like we do upload of any other thing, like we have uploaded PMA logo, and then bring in here. For
Right.
example, if I go to my upload, I'm sure I have another QR code here. So these two are we have just created, so I'll just delete it for the time being. You can delete everything or anything that you don't need or don't want. I'm sure we have I have created one जो अपना Google Form का URL है ना, yeah, it's here. So I can bring in that QR code also. It is just an image, right? All right. So that was about QR code. Now, this is an image which I had stored somewhere in my computer. But while I'm doing design, I don't have the design, with me. So I go to more option again. There are two wonderful websites, Pixabay and Pexels. I think it is run by the same company, and these websites are wonderful because they give you high quality, high resolution images, completely royalty free. Okay.
Sir, one question, sir. Sorry to interrupt you,
Mhm.
because the question is related to QR code again.
Yeah.
If we create a QR code for our Google Pay
Mhm.
and put it in the uploads,
Yeah.
can we add that?
Yes, yes. I just did that, no?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You can do that. But that QR code has to be imported as an image.
Right.
Upload folder is nothing but it is basically a placeholder for all your images.
Thank you.
Yeah. Now you go to Pexel or you go to Pixabay. You see there are some suggested images here, but I am not really finding what I want. Swapna ji, we just talked about coffee. Okay, so let me type in
Yes, sir.
coffee so that it
Yeah.
remains in your memory. Okay, I got so many high resolution images which are completely royalty free, and because you are going to give me coffee like this, I just clicked on that and I got the coffee image here.
Well, there is no milk in it.
Yeah, yeah, that's okay. I don't I prefer it without milk and sugar. And Sahu sir, I know you like it with milk, so let me bring in with milk also.
Yes.
So basically, these are the ways you can bring in lot of components into your image. Okay, so that's about image. Let me just close this QR code thing and go to more again. Now I want to also embed a location here. So here is an option of Google Map. So I say Google Map. Now these are some again suggested things, but I want to add my address here. So let me say what do I say, Pune Management Association. You just search just like you search in Google Maps page. If it finds, see, it has found, and I simply click on that, it will bring it on my page.
Oh, great.
And then you can resize it depending on how much exposure you need to give on your flyer. You can occupy this more space, and the beautiful part is, let me just zoom this. Beautiful part is it clearly gives the name of that location where the pin is and the address. Yeah, this is typically what we do in our websites also, right? Okay, so that is how you add another component called Google Maps. You can add YouTube link. Okay, so here if you say YouTube, let me just remove the map first, so we create the space. YouTube link. Now here it has just given the standard link here, but I don't want it like this because it's all about Canva. I'm not interested. I want to put my YouTube link here, so I will just type in here. But here I have to do one thing. I have to actually bring the link here. So what I will do is I'll go to YouTube. थोड़ा बहुत मैं मेरा publicity भी कर लेता हूँ. I have posted one video on procrastination on my YouTube channel. So let me search for that. Procrastination, Biman Gandhi, and it opens up that video. Yeah, so there is one video that I have posted here called Nailing Procrastination with Biman Gandhi. Okay, I will just go there, and here in the share option, I will get the link here. Okay, I don't know why it is running so slow. So you see the copy option, so it's a link that you can copy. Just say copy, so it gets into your clipboard. I come back to my original design here and I click that link. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes,
I think
yes,
I
sir.
lost my connection for a few seconds. But you
Yeah.
saw me copying that link, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So from YouTube, I have just copied that link, and I will paste it here on this bar.
Impact both on our personal as well as professional growth. Delaying things until we hit the limit or not doing things and finding reasons for not doing.
Okay. So I have pasted the link here. And
Great.
I will say add design, add to design. And you see there will be a thumbnail view of that particular video. You see? Got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So these are,
Yes, yes.
several different things that you can do with your design. Okay, so now I go back to that blood donation drive wala flyer again, and how do we download? So here is an option to download, and in download you have multiple options. You can download either in PNG format, which is recommended, comes without any background, JPG image, PDF standard, PDF print. You can also convert some videos, but that's not part of our today's discussion, and also convert into GIF or graphic image. Right now I'll just download in PNG and I'll say download. So here the download has begun, and it will by default go to your whatever you have set. So it normally goes into my download folders. So I'll go to download here, and this blue and yellow. You see the flyer is out, and this is something that you can just drag and drop on your WhatsApp message or on your email, attach as an attachment. That's how you can do it. Alright. Any questions now? We have come to an end of almost everything that I wanted to show you. Any question? Nilesh ji, Rupendra ji, Nitin ji?
Sir, no questions, sir, because it was quite elaborative.
Going to practice. Actually, it calls for practicing.
Yeah. Any question? Now onwards, any question will not fetch any coffee, so don't worry.
How do we put the
So
QR codes on the
when you will be conducting exams, sir, for this.
Right.
No, Vilman, any questions? No coffee, you said. So I take this opportunity to ask you.
Please do.
Those QR codes that we generate, I want to put on my head. Only on the forehead. On my forehead.
Uh-huh.
How do you put?
You have to get inside the Canva then. I think not many people are familiar with your humoristic nature, Sahu sir. They need to meet you once.
Sir, can we have the PMA few flyers so standardization can be used? For example, register on the website. Those type of things can be standard at all the places.
Yeah, so what we have done is our Google Form link we have converted into a short URL. We have also created one QR code. So all of that can be done. So those are the things we have standardized. But the other things like our partner organization keep on changing. The content of the flyer will change. The speaker and their photograph and their details will change.
Correct.
So those things can't be standardized.
Yeah, I agree. But certain things, for example, we cannot register directly or come and do. It is through the website only, or logo and other things. Those are standardized, which can be used.
Yeah. So normally with image, when we are sending over a WhatsApp, we send that small little message and also share the registration link, so people can just click on that link and they will land on that Google form for registration purpose.
That is one. And second thing, Nitin has created one flyer for forthcoming program.
Yeah.
Can we convert that here and make the changes as per PMA?
Yes. There is nothing like, we have not